You've likely heard that drinking lemon water first thing in the morning is great for your health. While lemon water is beneficial, simply juicing lemons doesn't unlock their full potential. The secret lies in freezing them. Yes, freezing lemons is the best way to get the most out of their incredible health benefits. Here's why this method works so well. Lemon peels are packed with nutrients that can boost your immune system, balance cholesterol levels, and help prevent cancer. The compounds in lemon peels also have powerful antimicrobial effects, fighting off bacteria, fungi, and parasites. This makes them especially effective for detoxifying the body and eliminating harmful internal parasites. It's no surprise that lemons are an essential part of every detox diet. Lemons also have a wide range of health benefits. They can reduce the risk of stroke, alleviate asthma symptoms, and strengthen your immune system. They have anti-inflammatory properties, help fight depression and stress, and are excellent for cleansing the kidneys and liver. What's truly remarkable is their potential to fight cancer. Lemons are loaded with antioxidants and vitamin C, but studies have revealed that their peels are equally powerful. Research dating back to 1970 has shown that compounds in frozen lemons can destroy cancer cells in 12 types of cancer, including colon, breast, prostate, lung, and pancreatic cancers. Unlike chemotherapy, these compounds target malignant cells while leaving healthy ones intact. Freezing lemons ensures you reap the full benefits of the fruit, as the peel contains 5 to 10 times more vitamins than the juice. Dr. Marilyn Glenville, a nutritionist and expert in women's health, explains that most of the antioxidants are found in the peel and pith rather than the pulp. To prepare frozen lemons, wash and disinfect them using organic apple cider vinegar or baking soda. Rinse them thoroughly with water, then pat them dry. Place the lemons in the freezer overnight. Once frozen, grate the entire lemon peel, pulp, seeds, and all. Store the grated lemon in ice cube trays in your freezer so you can easily add it to your meals or drinks whenever needed. By freezing lemons, you unlock their full health potential and ensure you're getting the most out of this amazing fruit.